Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Open Vyapar and sign in, then grant camera permission so scanning works. Next, tap the plus or invoice button, choose Add Item, and select Scan Barcode to open the scanner. Hold the phone steady roughly 6 to 12 inches from the barcode. Keep it flat, avoid heavy tilt, and remove glare by angling the light or moving the product. This gets you into scanning immediately so the app can read the code and fetch product details fast. Once the scanner is open, center the barcode inside the on-screen frame and allow the camera to autofocus. Vyapar typically auto-captures when it gets a clean read. If multiple barcodes or QR codes are visible, tap to select the correct one or switch to manual input to avoid mistakes. After capture, the app will populate product name, price, tax, and stock. Make sure those fields match expectations, then adjust quantity or price if needed. Finish by saving the scanned item and completing the invoice or stock update. If you use Cloud Sync, make sure it finishes. If the code won't scan, try wiping the label, adding more light, or repositioning the product. Alternatively, choose manual barcode entry as a fallback. If problems persist, verify camera permission in System Settings, force close and reopen Vyapar, or install the latest app update. This resolves most scanner bugs. That troubleshooting step usually gets you back to fast, reliable scanning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.